Lenovo Vibe P1, let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, find and select the settings. Then let's here scroll down and find here and select the backup and reset right here and choose network settings reset. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, tap reset settings and tap reset settings one more time to confirm the operation. That's it, network settings have been reset, so you can go back and start using your device with the default network configuration. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.